Hey you guys, I'm Molly with Design Loves Detail, and today we're doing a whole new kind of video. We are going to take a look at the brand new collection from Target and Studio McGee, which just came out for spring, and I'm going to show you what my favorites are, so stay tuned. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of when our next video is live, and also let me know in comments what you guys end up thinking about this kind of idea of the shopping haul and what you want to see next. Okay, so first up, I just got this pot. This is from the new spring collection, and there's actually a second one I ordered that hasn't come yet that is a little bit smaller and it has handles on either side. Love that. I think they're gonna be really cute together. It's nice and solid and it has like some texture to it. So it does look like kind of a white concrete. I think this will be really durable, and I think it's a good value for, let's see, what was it again? It's $25. It's really solid. So I think that that's probably a pretty good price for that. And I'm assuming it can be used indoors or outdoors. Watertight only for water and not for any other liquids. Okay, like don't put milk in it? Yeah, please don't drink your milk out of this. Only for water. I feel like that was the most useful tip I've ever shared. These actually came out, I think, with the last line, so they aren't new for spring, but I did notice that they got them in stock, so I wanted to share them because I think that they're really cute. I love the, it's almost like it's a resin with a wood, and I think that they're very versatile, and they're a good price as well. They don't have their prices on there. Ooh, something's inside. Oh, it's our pen box, I forgot. I do store stuff in these, I tell you. All right, next thing, this plant is a cute one. And this is a good value. I'll show you what it looks like styled. I use this on our nightstand. It's got this planter that it comes in, which I think is great because then you don't have to find something else, and it's cute. It looks kind of old. It's only $15 for this, so it's a good size, and I feel like the fern, is a very current faux plant. So I think that's a pretty good choice as well. I've used this as a fruit bowl on our table here, which I'll share when I share the kitchen. And I just put like lemons in it. It looked super cute. Weird side note, this has given splinters to two of my kids. So I would recommend not rubbing it. My daughter actually put it outside because she thought it was a threat to children for splinters. So fair warning. Next one, this is also a bowl. It's super heavy. This one's actually that was really hard to lift. And this is like a concrete, and I love the base of it. You can kind of see it's like an X. So it has that real, I would say it has a real designer and expensive look to it, and the weight is great. I think this one's sold out, but I'll watch for it to come back and share with you guys because I like the shape of it. Like a lot of bowls are so deep that it's hard to find something good to fill them with that isn't weird. Like, I don't know, sometimes like the Decor balls are just too much. So you can see how that goes. It's not painted on the bottom, but it does have, it's almost like it's a footed bowl. These clay beads are not from this collection, but I'll include these because they're one of my favorites and they look really good with a lot of pieces in this collection. So they're from Bloomist, and they come in a larger size too. This is the smaller, they're like a painted clay. And so putting something like that is really cute in these bowls. I'll show you how it looks styled. We use that in our bedroom as well. This is really cute as well. There's a smaller size in this one too. I think I ordered it, but it hasn't come. It's a magnetic closure, which I thought was kind of nice, and looks like leather, isn't real leather. Really pretty herringbone detail inlay on that. They're nice and lightweight. This larger size is $20, and the smaller one is maybe like $15, something like that. Inside is lined, which is kind of nice. Comes with a silica pack. I need to throw those away, but I think these are a good high-end look item that is good quality too. This one is so pretty here. It's got kind of green tones, a little bit more like in the teal range, and then tan and cream. And these are a printed rug, it looks like. You can kind of see this edge is a little bit thinner here versus here. So when they do print these rugs, they're not always perfectly centered. That doesn't really bother me because I love the print so much. But I think that that's something to note if you're a person that is going to be bothered by that. It might not be perfectly centered in the print because it is a printed rug. This is the 5x8, I think it is, and it's around, I think it was $99. So it's I think it's a good value and a good price point, and it's nice and thick. I haven't seen how it wears because we actually just got it and rolled it out today. But I was impressed with the look of it. I think it's very pretty colors and soft and pretty thick too. These pillows are also, they're from that first launch that Studio McGee did with Target. and they're really cute. I love them. They're really subtle green, and I wanted to say that they look super cute with this rug. So that would be a good pairing if you were looking for something to go together. I think that would be a great option. A little accent rug. I got this to go here at our remodel project in the entryway. Again, it's brand new. You can see the tag. So I'm not sure how it will wear, but it seems to be nice quality, nice woven, and I'm assuming that we can wash it. Let's check it out. 100% polyester. It says professional rug cleaning recommended or spot clean. I might try it anyway, and I'll let you know how that goes. This chair I have shared with you guys. We use this in our office. It's like our little office nook here because we don't have a real office at the remodel house here. But I love this woven arm detail. It's like wrapped. It's like it's wrapped in raffia rope. Is that a thing? But it's super cute. And then what's really good about this one, I will say, I mean, it's a light color and it's going to show, you know, some wear eventually, but they do have on the backs of these like a completely hidden zipper. And so I'm assuming we can just zip these off so you can wash the cover. Nice quality fabric, and the chair's nice and sturdy. I have noticed something that I really like with these McGee & Co pieces is they have underneath the legs this adjustable piece so that you can get it to be level if you have uneven floors, or if like I had one leg on, or a couple legs on the rug, a couple off, so you can actually adjust to account for that, which is great. So that is a good, I think this is a good investment, cute as an armchair. We're using it as a desk, and it does work because the arm slants down, so you can still, you know, tuck it under the desk. It'll kind of come like that. This is a very cute Ottoman. You guys might have seen the Ottomans that they have. They had two patterns that came out. One was like a blue stripe, and it's like this. They all have this kind of where the pattern comes together like this, and it's so cute. This one is actually my favorite of the bunch of the four that have come out. Yeah, I think I've owned all of them at some point. So this is my favorite, and it is kind of looks like a linen stripe fabric. It does feel like it might be a vintage type fabric, which is what really draws me to it. Feels authentic and really cute to have that direction going different. So highly recommend those. I am always watching for them to come back in stock, and the price is good, and they're nice and lightweight. So they've been sturdy so far. I've been happy with that because they are, like, when you feel it, you'll be surprised how lightweight they are. But it's been really good for what I've used them for. This is a really cute chair. I have read the reviews on these, and some people haven't liked that they're a lower back. I really like them, and I got these to use with my kids' desks, and I think that they're gonna be perfect. The cushion here is separate, and these do require assembly if you order online. I noticed that this little piece doesn't perfectly seem to fit. I don't feel deterred by that. I think these are darling. They're like $90. I think it's hard to beat that, and the look of them is amazing. They look and feel sturdy, I will say. And look how cute the back is. I just love the way that this wraps around. Very like artisan feel and cute with the cushion, and I don't know. I'm a big fan of these. I think that they're a great value. I really do. So it does zip off, and it looks like you could wash this cover as well. So this artwork is one that I also got recently from that Target Studio McGee collection. I don't know when this one came out. Like, I'm not convinced it was from the spring launch. Copyright 2020 Target. So it might be from that collection that came out in December, but I hadn't seen it really anywhere, and I love it. I think it's super cute. I think this would be really cute above a bed because it's got a little bit of that length to it. I just had it on our desk over there, and it looked really cute there. So I feel like it's very versatile and a good price point. Cute frame. I love when it comes, you know, all framed and ready to go on the wall. So I think there's some good stuff in this new collection. And if you guys want to see more, leave a comment and tell me what you want to see, and I will investigate some other pieces. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of when our next video is live.